The procedure explained here is applicable for growing chilies, capsicums and banana peppers from seeds. You can buy the chili seeds or collect the seeds from fresh ripe chili peppers. Choose the fully ripe red chilies, or you can use partially red chilies, either fresh or dried. Slit open the chili and take out the seeds or seeds in shade and store in a bag. Chili seed germination. Now prepare the soil for seed germination. Mix some river sand to the garden soil to make it free draining. Fill our pot or seed raising tray with this soil. The pot should have holes at the bottom to drain excess water. Sow the seeds about 3 mm in the soil and water. The chili seeds germinate in a warm and humid environment. So after sowing the seeds, place the pot in direct sunlight and water daily to keep the soil moist. The chili seeds will germinate in 5 to 10 days. Continue watering the seedlings daily. Transplant the seedlings to the pot or when seedlings grow 3 to 4 sets of leaves. Note that you can directly plant the chili seeds in pots. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe for updates and take a look at my other videos.